Bore da, good morning, os ydych chi'n yn y broadcast, viewing broadcast, o croeso i'r vod. Welcome to the vod if ydych chi'n gwylio ar ôl. I did try and upload, this is technically part 3, mae'n technically down 3. I did try and upload part 2 i'r interwebs. However, unfortunately, that recording just didn't upload. So, Mai and Envis, and that's a recording I think just up fyny lwytho yn anffodus. So, Mai is now a child, and so is Envis. And Mai a Envis and plant one. Nes I oedio fyny o infants, and they got, nath nhw cael, did they get bonus skill? They got like loved infant, which is really cute hefyd. I really like that, loved infant. Mine independent, and they got genius dwi'n credu nath nhw gael. Mine, dyna beth mae gael. And Envis got music lover, which is so I did them as a creative one. So what I've done is just maxed out one of their skills to see what boost we can get. I cael pa boost maen nhw'n mynd i gael and do that. I think my game is buggy though, because it keeps resetting the violin. And then keep resetting your violin. I think violin level 3 friendships with some Sims keep breaking again. So I think I've just got a buggy game. So we're getting buggy. I'm mynd I gweithio fo. We will work with it. I have changed the house up a bit. Dwi'n neud y tŷ fyny a bit hefyd. So this is because I need my cariad sim to get piano. The one thing I would like to see in Sims nesa is a little piano bach, even an electric piano, so not really that, instead of a big one. So I've done them like little rooms with a stafelloedd, fel plant efo gyfer nhw, efo pethau. Mae Mai with some of the skills o pethau gyfer y sgiliau. This is my like experimental sort of thing. It's like experimental. They set fire to the house. Nath o setio lle ar tân. Indeed. Pan dod ddim rhieni around when there was no parents around, so that was fun. So yeah, and here went tywyll, but you can see like a little art wall. Wild celf bach fama. Up. Just usual stuff. The trio symud pethau o gwmpas. I think I moved this back here, but just trying to move things around and stuff as well. But yeah, that's about the catch up. When I did catch up, then on top, my Sims are gonna be aging up soon hefyd. Well, not my Sim, my other one. But the skills pretty much just, not much skill yet. I think paintio and art and cooking level 10, and then handiness level 4, because everything keeps breaking up within Mali, so but I thought we would just carry on the legacy Chadani, and so we'll carry on what we're doing, which is we do the we'll do the birthdays in events. I've already made the cake in preparation. Dwi'n neud nhw fyny, well neu neud nhw. Got the skills to somewhere I'm happy, skills to somewhere rhywle dwi'n credu dwi'n hapus. Dwi'n dal newydd I hyn, I'm still new to this, but I'm getting better. The toddlers this time on the material. I did say this in the video that didn't get uploaded, which was pretty rare. I got all the toddlers to nearly what I bron I Bernie on his show. They were level 5 in all of them except for one. Nath o level 5 bob dim except o gyfer un on level 3. They start with like level 1 bonus ar gyfer bob un o sgiliau plant. So yeah, kind of worth it. I would now ar ôl after learning, ar ôl dysgu, I wouldn't use the rabbit tablet. I would use the shapes because it does thinking and something else both at the same time. So I'm gonna well i wneud na'r rabbit tablet to get some skills up. It's better than the rabbit tablet because it gets both skills, 2 skills up, I think. But now I know that. And I'll go to the event. Yeah, Magnolia Blossom. 5 PM. Or maybe I can't dim it off. Also, can you change? I've edited everybody's outfits hefyd. Well, outfits Sims V. My Sims outfits, not the kids. The kids, not changing too much. They are autonomous and, you know. Well, honestly, that is the best one. No. Oh, I like these. My leather jacket's really cool. I do like these leather jackets in The Sims. Dwi licio'r jacket I leather yma yn The Sims hefyd, but I kind of wish they were open rather than closed. This is a birthday party. Mae'n technically party pen blwydd. That one, and then there's some really cute outfits for the kids as well. I think I was in Cass. I think this dress is really cute. And a frog and I'm really cute. But the fancy ones will do that one. That was really cute. That's that. Yeah, no. I don't, Envis has got this as well, Scared of the Dark, and I don't know how they got that. I think, dwi'n meddwl o'n unwaith pan oedd y monster o dan, monster dwi'n credu o dan, so we'll go in. So yeah, I really like a jackety leather yma. They're really cool. And then this one here. Really cute. I'm kind of tempted to recreate it in real life. This outfit. So cute. Hefyd. It's more cute. But yeah, because like, you know, the kids are kids. I'm just doing it like a plant yw'r plant, os ti'n dallt. I'm not doing it as anything like what do you want beth sy'n gadw? Dwi'n dwi'n angen rhywle dwi'n gallu rhoi hwn yn y ganol. There you know. Go here. Can you all sit together? Oh, we'll age them up first. I've never done, roed yn party yn parc yn gynt. I always done it at the house. Dwi roed when you'n done the tŷ. I did invite some kids along for this. Like, so a really good way I found to get toddler skills up yw mynd yn y parc. A good way I found getting them up is going to the park, and the motor and social goes up really high. Maen really uchel. And then I think could just bring the drawing tablet and they can do freelance if they as maen nhw'n freelance. Trwy really handy. Caca, no, please say the cake's still good. He's gonna run around. Why can't I add birthday cake? You need it. Don't ganol. Uh-oh. Is it Sims around it? Oh, you knew that. This is fun. Okay, where is there somewhere else where there's a counter? Okay. Might have to age them up at home. Why can I not do this? Is this a bug? In the centre, on the ganol. Ooh, okay, I'm gonna have to just chdi fan'na, gyfarwan. Go into build mode and see maybe. We've got Pam. That's not. Do you know I'm gweithio ar yn reswm? Can I get a chair? Would I call pethau fewn? Mic on. Right, no, mic is on. Cael hwn. It's gonna look a little strange. Mae'n mynd i edrych yn rhyfedd, but we're gonna do this. Should have yma. See if that'll work. I mean, ella bod nhw'n gorfod yn bwrdd tu fewn. Maybe it has to be an inside table. Where are we? Yma. Please gweithio. Yeah, that's gotta be an in. Okay, well now what? So if you send me park, outside tables aren't gonna work. Mynd I gweithio. Oh, okay. Might build like a little cafe in here, cafe bach yma, and add that. So we've got somewhere. Am I gonna need roller you know. Stop that. Where has this gone? Where has Envis gone? There. Okay, that's fine. I want you all to come here. Oh, ti'n gallu neud fatha... Yeah, dyna dwi isio. Envis coming. And then, unwaith mae Envis fama, you just disco. Where's Richard? We're waiting for Envis. Oh, the little run's cute. So, we're gonna get, let's do my, Envis gynta, because it was their birthday yesterday and we forgot about it. Well, I didn't forget about it. On i'n mynd i wneud, I wasn't gonna do 2 birthdays. I was gonna do 1. I'm mynd i wneud 1, and I also wanted to get their skills up. And I just got skill un o fyny.
Oh, shoot, be out. Oh, yes.
Okay, so this trait, mae'r traits yma fod bob tro fod randomised. Sims can bro hug other. Oh, okay. Come across other bros and become confident from watching sports. Okay. Diddorol, it's new, but we'll go with it. Aspiration. Neither painter or that. Ti'n gallu cael can you not get music? Want to call music? Okay. Baseline author or painter? We'll do author. I don't know how the. We'll do that for now. Don't get. We can always change the aspiration a bit. Oh, you look so pretty. Did my pet? I love the vest jumper. And then do add birthday candles. And then call my
Efidroy and Barra.
little family, tiny bach gathering. Yeah, sgwrs ti'n mynd.
Yeah, there. Hey, hey.
Come on, oh, when this so cursed. I'm gonna need to know. It's so cursed when you do it. You're a bro as well. Oh, do I want 2 bros? I'm gonna randomize this one because I don't want. I want to try and get a different thing for everybody, and that's one of the rules. Oh, should we go to the music level one then? No, my Sims is a musician, not a music lover. Sims can get jealous more easily than other Sims. You can gain a boost of confidence from being around their significant other, but get tense if they haven't seen them recently. Okay. That's intriguing. Hwnna'n newydd. Is there a geek one? I think the closest geek one would be that, so I know it didn't actually paint the other one.
Yeah, Navi. Yeah.
So ti'n edrych, how you look. I like it. The little dundas, baby. I love the hair. Ah, cool. It's got 2 teams, but mae'n meddwl, what this does mean now is I think my rhai fi yn troi'n elders yn dipyn bach. Yeah, so we got a bit. We're mynd i elders. Man in short, they are short. And they're going to be young adults, and then that's when pan mae'r ail trydydd cenhedlaeth, the 3rd generation is going to start. I want to see how their skills. Did I get a bonus in anything? So charisma. You had a creativity 10 though. So bod chdi cael boost. I thought you got a boost. Didn't cael boost? So you still got to go and need Chris Catra. I thought you got a boost. Oh wait, bro. Oh, there you go. So yeah, top-notch infant. In this has been loved. Oh, nanny. Muses get better boosts from the skills when they get inspired. Okay, so my nan. Well, that's what I got from the child being thingy. Yeah, I did have like only violin and uwch hefyd. Thought my violin was high as well. You're not friends with her. Do you friend you with her? Don't ask about woohoo. No, not with that Sim. You are a teenager. Oh, I gotta change the room. Got newid stafell one hefyd. I gotta change the rooms up. You get career. Can you get a good job hefyd? You met her. Oh no, you can. Wait. Okay, I know it. So this is my first like legacy journey. I found out also Silver and Twitch I've been building and showing stuff off and things. Draw a Twitch button to that buildio, so it'll be the Twitch link will be in the description, yeah, I'm gonna change your aspiration. But I need a nerdy one. Is there not? Oh! Okay. Fortune. Ah, knowledge, that's what I needed. Don't be sure. Video hun. It wants to be both book smart and handy. Webmaster. Webmaster is getting the most out of the computers. About computers, playing games to careers. Yeah, that's an idea. Because I do want to try and get different careers for all of them. And we'll do that one. Because you already got a thing in computer. And I got eiliad. What is Biddy in because I'm trying to do the Fibonacci is the main one. We do have music over on this one, but I'm 9. That is annoying. Okay. I think what we're gonna have to do, another musician, and then this is the only one it can double at all hyn. It's my bad. I'm gonna try and get a different skill for everybody. Gael skill gwahanol I pawb. might be able to get. No, Sonia, but what was that? Okay.
No, in a plavar.
Yeah, because I think. Have you got music level on yours? Na. I'm gonna chdi hei. Ti efo muser hefyd? Oh, that's sorry. Newydd. New trying to actually look. This time dwi'n trio actually look at their skills and stuff. Skills no better. Genius. Creative. Okay. But I didn't master the creativity thing when I don't know. Ddim syniad. Mine was the computer science one in Iliad. Got them mixed up? No, mine was the smart one. Oh, they're both smart. You know what I meant. Dwi'n clever. Don't know. I'm gwybod felly. That is very new. What about newydd? Mentally, I got a baby. So, not trying to find another baby or anything, because it's a Fibonacci series, and this already jumped. Already jumped here. Why is that on there? Ready jump. So the Fibonacci legacy was meant to start one generation had one generation had one, then one generation the third generation had two, then three, then five, because that's the Fibonacci thing. Didn't work because my son had twins instead of that. So the next generation is gonna have three. So nothing gweithio. Because the Sims wedi cael twins, so nath y Fibonacci ddim gweithio. Mae'n un, dim dau. So mae y trydydd cenedlaeth fod wedi cael dau. We've skipped two. So I just thought that this would be a good way of getting into legacy where you don't need to have a lot of kids. That means no more kids. Dim mwy o plant. I've just seen something that's actually really good for you to have as well, actually. Because the handiness. They're already quite handy around the house, so that's actually really good. So we'll do that one. You got 3,000. Okay. The aspirations are really handy to do. Mae'n really handy wneud if you os ti fatha. So my sim Alan is my sim was a painter, so I got managed to get a lot of things. Now the mentor is really good to get if you've got a skill to pass it on to other sims. There's also like independent, carefree, hygiene needs decay. Really handy. There's one where they don't need to sleep as much, but which is really good with infants and toddlers on my other playthrough. They got connections, which for the lore of the generation, so next shed really there for the kids to start with. That's cool. Savants get hardly hungry. When I read that, yeah, I got this is the other one I got. Seldom sleepy. Green. Oh, when cool. So if you got like an introvert, or you want to play maybe as an arrow or ace character, sim, that'll be a good one. There's some really good ones here. What's that? Never need sleep. Never need to eat. Wow. Yeah, I think I'm gonna. What I'm gonna do safio yw savants so they gain skills faster. Bron yna. What about the teenagers? Not that many. 1 meal sgan chdi. What you? Got 2,000. What can we do here? Frugal's a good one as well if you're on a budget. It's a higher budget if you need the services, the services. Writing masterworks. That'd be a good one for thingy to have. I'm gonna really savvy fyny points because there's nothing I really want right now. But yeah, that's really good. But yeah, can we take a photo? Fi'n gallu cael llun? No, in here. Mwy na un? Can we do a photo with more than one? Tadian. Oh, I don't have the camera. Dwi'n efo camera efo fi. No, mond un. Do I have the camera with me? Pwy sydd efo camera? Uned. We have camera somewhere. No, we don't. Da ni ddim hefo. But yeah, dyna ein teenagers. That are our teenagers. We'll probably I'll do the same room peth eto. I might do another one when we age up. My Sims, I'm teimlo'n sad. It's just teimlo'n drist because they're going to be elders and then Mad legacy mynd mwy sydyn na fi'n the legacy is going much quicker na be ni'n feddwl. Because it's on short stay. But yeah, diolch I pawb am ddod. Thank you for everybody for coming and thank you for watching ar y fod. Ach, da chi ddim gwylio ar y fod. Yn anffodus dwi ddim yn gallu fynywytho through YouTube and this is the only way I can do it. This is the only way I can upload to YouTube. So, gawn ni weld. But yeah, thank you everybody. Diolch I pawb am ddod. Gobeithio chi'n cadw'n saff. I hope you keep safe lle bynnag da chi. I'm probably going to stream a bit more building on Twitch and do like a little tour yma fyny. We got Leisure Centre, Pwllheli Leisure Centre, Canolfan Hafden Pwllheli coming up next, and a little Simsy shell build little Simsy. But yeah, diolch I pawb am ddod. Thank you everyone for coming. I hope you stay safe. I will upload these whenever I can, I fyny dwi'n gallu. But yeah, cadw'n saff lle mag da chi, wherever you are, keep safe, and hopefully you have a wonderful day. Happy Passover, Ramadan, Easter, late Blessed Ostara, wherever you celebrate. I hope you have a wonderful time, and you keep safe lle mag da chi, and cadw'n saff lle mag da chi. Diolch am ddod, thank you for coming pawb.